Hey Lisa, real quick, showing you how to add a customer special to an order. So I'm in one of my current parties, and my customer Vanetta decided that she did not want her special. So what I would do is I would click Edit Order, then I would click Add an Item, and then choose whatever item it was that the customer wanted. So if she wants the Sand and Shore thermal tote, she wants it in patio pop, I add it to her cart. And then what it's going to do is it's going to update the total. Okay. Click on Begin Checkout. And what you'll do is you'll need to go here to Edit to account for that difference. So when you get to Edit, I'm not going to actually do it because Vanetta didn't want it, but click on Edit, and then all you'll do is you'll just change the total there to whatever the new total is. And then once you're done, click Save and Continue, and everything is good. So hopefully that makes sense. If not, definitely let me know.